Wahala be like bicycle o, nothing we no go see for this internet wey all of us dey. So we don enter new week. I just play make Baba God see us through, make we no see another gbas again. This James Brown na confirm wey he don come out say big wiz, we enjoyed ourselves last week Monday o. I no too like Davido. Davido blocked me 4 years ago and he hasn't seen any reason to unblock me. Me, Princess of Africow. So therefore, I don't like him. You should continue to fight Davido. I can't the one that say, James, wetin you do? Wetin you do wey make a whole 001 block you? That thing wey you do pain 001. Cause 001 cannot just start blocking people. We no do him anything. Before I continue, make we hear wetin James Brown talk.
But make I talk true, I don't like Davido. Davido don't block me 4 years now. You know that see me to unblock. So if they fight, when they fight. Sorry I said that. When they fight, Wizkid, how you dey? So
Sometimes when I dey watch this Princess of Africow, I go just dey laugh. This guy funny die. Like no stress, he will make you laugh without stress. When watching at him, you know they begin they laugh before he start talking. So because you don't like David again, because say he blocked you 4 years ago, you are not supporting Wizkid. Come even they ask him how you dey. I beg, big Wizzy, if you can see this video, I beg, let love lead. According to you, it's all love and less ego. I beg, don't bring up any gbas again. Tomorrow is Monday. Before you hear say you don't dey drag another person, Joe, make your heart calm down. I be your mind. Make your mind touch ground. Yeah. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more news with the tutorial body. I pray this new week favors us all. Ami Jesu. Okay now, stay safe out there. Bye.